Hi, it's Alicia from the Pretty Brown Eyed Reader. I am coming today to do my first tag video. I have been tagged by Frankie from Frankie Reads to do the currently reading tag, and I am so thankful for Frankie for tagging me. And let's get started on these questions and see how I answer them. So the first question is, how many books do you usually read at once? I usually read 2 books at once. I have a book at work and I have one at home that I read. If I'm reading a fiction book at work, I'll usually read a nonfiction at home. So I kind of rotate between reading fiction and nonfiction, and I have one at home and one at work. The second question is, if you're reading more than one book at home at a time, how do you decide when to switch to reading the other book? Do you read a certain amount of pages in each? I switch books when I switch locations. Third question, do you ever switch bookmarks while you're partway through a book? I don't use bookmarks. I use note cards, preferably multicolored note cards. See, I have them here. The reason I use note cards is because generally all the books I read come from the library, and so I don't have the ability to keep them and mark them that way. So I just take notes. I write down quotes that I like. I write down anything that I learn new, whether it be in fiction. You can still learn stuff. So I write those down on my note cards to keep track of what I'm reading. And also I write down any vocabulary words that I'm not familiar with, because probably about 6 years ago I realized that my vocabulary was slipping a little bit and I was having trouble understanding some words at work, and I was like, and then I thought about it. I wasn't really reading outside of work, so I began to track my vocabulary words, and each year the amount of words that I read that I didn't know has went down. So that has been a help, and it has increased my word usage and my ability to write better at work. The next question is, where do you keep the book you're currently reading? Well, the book I'm reading at work usually sits on my desk, and the book that I read at home I keep beside the bed on the floor. I never thought about where I keep the book, but I guess it's just when I get tired I just throw the book down up beside the bed, but that's where it usually is resting, and I pick it up the next day when I'm ready to read at home. What time of day, the next question is, what time of day do you spend the most time reading? Well, I have 2 times a day that I usually read. On my lunch break, I get an hour lunch break. So when I'm at work, I usually read about 20 to 30 minutes. Because with the hour lunch break, by the time I eat and answer phone calls, it's usually about 20 to 30 minutes that I have left in that hour lunch break. So I usually read for 20 to 30 minutes at work. Then at night before I go to sleep, I also try to read about 20 or 30 minutes. How long do you typically read in one go? I think I kind of answered that before with the previous question. It's usually 20 to 30 minutes. Number 7, do you read hardcovers with the dust jacket on or off? I read them with the cover on, because I feel like the author and the publisher have went through a lot of work to make sure that the covers kind of match the story. If they're really good at what they do, they'll make sure that the cover matches the story. And I feel like I'm cheating the book experience if I take the dust cover off. Which position do you mainly use to read? Well, if I'm at work, I am sitting in a chair in the break room while I'm reading, or I'm sitting outside in a chair under a tree reading. That to me is the most appropriate way to read at work. When I'm at home, I'm usually laying on my bed, or I may be seated on my bed depending on how tired I am. If I'm really tired, I'm laying down because I'm probably about ready to fall asleep. But if I'm still a little bit up and not really ready to lay down yet, I'll just sit up on the bed and read with my feet up and maybe drinking something, tea. Yeah, T. Question number 9. Do you take the book you're currently reading with you everywhere you go? I really don't have a need to take the book with me wherever I go, because the 2 places that I read is where I keep the books. But occasionally, like when I'm going to get my hair done and I know I'm gonna have to sit under the dryer, I'll take the smallest of the 2 books that I'm reading with me because it'll fit down in my purse. And also, if I have a doctor's appointment or know I'm gonna be waiting somewhere for a while, I will take a book with me at that point. But it's gonna be the smallest one of the 2, whichever one I can fit down into my purse the most easily. And the last question: how often do you update your progress in the book you're currently reading on Goodreads? I am not a consistent Goodreads user. I usually I will try and put the books that I'm currently reading up, but I'm not good at putting the start date correctly and the end date correctly, and I don't always review the books I'm reading, especially the ones that already have thousands of reviews. I don't generally add my 2 cents into it. I'll just give it the rating with the stars. But I will work on being more consistent with Goodreads. Thank you so much, Frankie, for tagging me. It was fun to do this tag video. I would like to tag 2 people. I would like to tag Beth from Elizabeth Tyree and also Lauren from Burnt Fiction. So I hope you ladies have a chance to do the tag video, and I will see you all on my next video. Thanks for watching.